In a virtual setting, technical difficulties do occur. For example, an assignment might be closed when it's supposed to be open, there might be an error message, or you couldn't log in. When these do arise, it's very important that you follow the outline procedure to report the issue immediately. Step 1, take a screenshot of what you see on your screen. If you don't know how to do that, then you want to Google it. It's very important that you document the issue that's happening with your screenshot. It will also have a timestamp at the bottom of the screen that will let me know that this issue has occurred and when it has occurred. Step 2, attach the screenshot to an email to me detailing exactly what you did and exactly what went wrong. This is your way of documenting exactly what's going on so that I know when and what is happening. Step 3, send the email to me before the assignment is due. This is essential. Don't wait for the assignment window to close and then request an extension. You won't get one. So make sure that you send the email to me before the assignment is due. You need to do it as soon as you run into a problem. Step 4, wait for a response from me and then follow the directions I give you in my response email. A lot of these problems are problems that other people have had before, so they can easily be fixed. So sometimes it's just a setting on your end or maybe clicking a setting on my end that would then change the situation. So make sure you wait for a response from me and then follow the directions. Step 5, communicate back to me by stating the problem has been corrected or that it has not been corrected. It's important that we have this back and forth dialogue. So make sure you write back to me and say, hey, Mrs. Woodard, I got it figured out, or it's not. I can give you a second way to figure it out, or we may end up at an impasse. If the problem can't be corrected, then you will receive an extension. However, you must see the words, you have an extension in my email to be excused. Don't just assume that you're going to be excused because you've had technical difficulty. One of the biggest mistakes that kids make is they just email me about a problem and then they forget about it. If you email me with a problem, I promise I will email you back with suggestions and we'll expect that you'll follow those suggestions. And again, this back and forth virtual dialogue is essential for appropriate online communication. So please be familiar with these technical difficulty issues as they will certainly arise in the course.